everyone, how are you all? So yesterday we learned about word. We learned that how we can make words, how by combining letters in a meaningful way we can make words. So now we all know words properly. So today let's move on a step ahead and let's learn about rhyming words. These are also words, but what are rhyming words? How we can write rhyming. So today in this lecture we are going to learn about rhyming words. So let's see what are rhyming words.
So let's see what are rhyming words. So rhyming words have the same ending sounds. Rhyming words are the words which have the same ending sound. Means the word which are ending on the same sound are called rhyming words. For example, the word beg have some rhyming words like keg, leg, meg, peg. These all words are ending on the same sound like egg, beg, keg, leg, meg, peg. Now let's read some other rhyming words like for den. Den is a word. Now there are so many words which are rhymes with den. For example, pen, gen, ben, hen, yen, ken. These all words are rhyming words of den. Now let's see what will be the rhyming words of med. So let's read it. Med, led, fed, red, bed, ed, zed. Now let's see another example. Wet. So rhyming words of wet are bet, wet, set, net, met, get. Like well. Well is also a word and there are so many rhyming words of this word like well, sell, bell, tell, del, fell, quell. So these all words are rhyming words. So have you all understood rhyming words? Rhyming word means the words which are ending on the same sounds. So now we all understood what are rhyming words. So here there is a worksheet and now we are going to solve it. In first side words are given and in second side their rhyming words are given. So we have to match it. So first one is done for you. Like first word is man and the rhyming word of man is can. Now let's search what will be the rhyming word of hot. So let's read the other side words like pot, box, can, bat. So pot and hot are similar. So these words can be rhyming word. Now let's see another one. Cat. So there are two more examples. Another side box and bat. So rhyming word of cat will be bat. Now last one is fox. So rhyming word for fox is box here. Now let's do some another worksheets. Here there are so many words and some words are given in the box. So we have to search the rhyming word of the given word in the box and we have to circle the rhyming word. For example, first word is sun. So let's read the words and let's search the rhyming word for sun. So top, tan, hat, fun. So fun and sun are rhyming words. So fun is right. Let's circle it. Second one is top. So rhyming word for top will be fit, pot, mop, set. Yes, pot. Right. Mat. So for mat, tin, rat, nut, bun. So rat. Rat will be the rhyming word for mat. Next one is pin. So sail, cat, tin, road. So tin, pin are rhyming words. Wet. So for wet, wat, set, pop, bit. So wet and set, they are rhyming words. Next one is dog, fog. So fog, fur, man, set are not the rhyming words for dog. Next one is how, hoe, dog, cow, can. So cow will be the rhyming word for how. And last one, dad, dup, top, how, had. So had and dad are the rhyming words because they are ending on the same sound. So here we did this worksheet.
So today we learned about rhyming words. We saw what are rhyming words, how we can make rhyming words, how we can recognize the rhyming words of any given word. So all these things we learned today. We solved some worksheets also. So what you have to do, you just have to go through again with this video and you have to solve these all worksheets at home and you have to do practice regularly. And if you want to learn more and more, you have to just subscribe my channel, you have to like my channel, and you have to just keep watching my channel regularly. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, so please subscribe it, please do like it, and please don't forget to comment in my comment section so that I can also understand that are you all learning through it, or whatever is your suggestion, please do write it in comment section, so it will inspire me. So keep watching. Thank you.